Unlocking your potential. It's easy to look at others and marvel at their achievements, to see their successes and think, I could never do that. But what if I told you that within each and every one of you lies a wellspring of untapped potential, a treasure trove of hidden talents and capabilities just waiting to be discovered? We often confine ourselves within the boundaries of what we believe we are capable of. We stick to what's familiar, what's comfortable, and in doing so, we sometimes overlook the incredible abilities that are dormant within us. Think of it like a vast, unexplored continent, full of rich resources, diverse landscapes, and wonders beyond imagination. You are that continent. Perhaps you've always dismissed a casual interest as just a hobby, when in reality, it's a seed of a powerful talent waiting to be cultivated. Maybe you've encountered a challenge that seemed insurmountable, only to discover a resilience and problem solving ability you never knew you possessed. These are the moments, big and small, where your hidden potential starts to peek through. Unlocking this potential isn't about becoming someone else, it's about becoming more of who you truly are. It's about being curious, adventurous, and willing to step outside your comfort zone. It's about giving yourself permission to try new things, to fail forward, and to learn from every experience. How do you begin this journey of discovery? First, be observant of yourself. What truly excites you? What tasks do you find yourself drawn to, even if they seem unconventional? What problems do you instinctively try to solve? These are often clues to your inherent strengths. Second, embrace new experiences. Say yes to opportunities that challenge you, even if they feel a little daunting. Volunteer for a project, learn a new skill, join a different group. Exposure to new situations can reveal surprising aptitudes. Third, don't be afraid of mistakes. Every setback is a learning opportunity, a chance to refine your approach and uncover a new layer of your abilities. The greatest discoveries often come after periods of struggle. And finally, believe in yourself. You are capable of far more than you currently realize. Trust your instincts, nurture your interests, and give yourself the space and freedom to explore. The world is waiting for your unique contribution. Your hidden talents and capabilities are not just for your benefit, they are a gift that, once discovered and honed, can enrich your life and the lives of those around you. So embark on this exciting journey of self discovery. The potential within you is limitless, and the time to unlock it is now. Go forth and discover the extraordinary within you.